Hello gorgeous. Hope you all are well. A fresh new batch of veggies arrived in the aisles of New Friends Colony. The first thing that struck me was to make an easy, healthy party snack dip. I also wanted to include the corona fighting vitamins and antioxidants. It's the Tzatziki sauce. The base of Tzatziki sauce is hung curd. You can prepare hung curd easily at home by keeping a regular curd in a strainer for a few hours. Next step is to grate the cucumber on a medium or a fine grater. Then squeeze out all the water from the grated cucumber. The squeezed juice has an advantage that it can be used in a variety of face packs. After thorough squeezing, the cucumber would look like this. The base and the cucumber is ready. Now we proceed to chopping the herbs. Take a handful of coriander leaves, chop and mince. Now take mint. Pluck the leaves and chop similarly. The garlic also needs to be minced. The magic mix begins here. Take a mixing bowl, put curd, cucumber, mint and coriander. Mix. Then add garlic and salt. Then squeeze lemon on top. Put 1 tablespoon of olive oil and keep mixing until you obtain a homogeneous sauce. Lastly, put some more olive oil on top. Your Tzatziki sauce is ready. We had it with potato chips, spooned up with nachos, dipped our pakoras, and had fun eating with grilled veggies. The fun-filled party was over at the sunset. The sun kissed us goodbye with the promise of new bright day once again tomorrow. These are just guidelines. The real magic lies in your hands. Once you finish making this, do share a pic and your experience as well. This is Sabah signing off. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.